Hello, this is Mr. McMurray, and we're talking about types of chemical reactions lab. Okay, today we're just going to talk about it a little bit, and then tomorrow we'll actually videotape you some of the results of doing the lab and seeing what it all looks like. But for now, let's talk about type of chemical reaction. This was in our notes before, and so some of this is not brand new, but I would like for you to do a few new things. All right, it talks about the different kinds. We have synthesis, we have decomposition, we have single replacement, double replacement, combustion reactions, all right, and those are our 5 types. Now, what I'd like for you to do is to read this and tell us a little bit about each of them, okay? But basically, what I'd like for you to do for each one, click on the text box over here, and then come over, and for anything that's reactant, every time we write a formula, it's this chemical plus this chemical. The plus sign tells us these are 2 separate things, so we have 2 chemicals we're adding together. The arrow means the reaction happens, or sometimes we say yields or makes this one, but this is all one chemical. So I want to put R on the reactants, the ones before the chemical reaction, and anything on the left side of the arrow is going to be a reactant. So in this case, since there's a plus sign there, that means these are 2 different chemicals right here, a reactant and a reactant, okay? Everything on the right side needs to have a P for a product, okay? And the product, in this case, are just one product, okay? And this will tell you what kind of a reaction it is. You have 2 reactants added together to make one product, and that is what synthesis. You add 2 things together to make a single product. Right? So what I would like for you to do is for all the rest of these, go ahead and write down, you may have to do it underneath on some of these, but put R's on the reactants and P's on the products. And that will help you to identify exactly what kind of reaction it is, okay? And then if you'll submit that paper, and tomorrow, like I said, we'll give the second part of the worksheet where we actually do the reactions, and then you can actually fill out a data sheet about them, okay? And so that's about where we're at. So just put the R's and the P's on this and then submit it, and that will be it for tonight. Pretty quick. All right, talk to you later.